In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Cloudflare error. We'll walk through a simple, reliable sequence that refreshes your computer's DNS, your browser's cache, and your site's cache on Cloudflare. This clears out stale information that often triggers those frustrating Cloudflare messages. Start on Windows by opening the command prompt. Search for CMD from your Start menu or search bar, then run it as an administrator. Running with elevated permissions ensures the network command we're about to use actually works. In the command prompt window, type exactly ipconfig flush DNs and press enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This removes outdated address lookups your computer might be using to reach your site, which is a common cause of connection and routing errors. Next, switch to your web browser. Open the menu from the three dots in the top right corner and choose the option to delete browsing data. In the dialog, go to the More or Advanced settings so you can control what gets cleared. Set the time range to all time. This ensures you're not leaving older, conflicting files behind. Clearing cached images and files is essential. If you also clear cookies, be aware you'll likely be signed out of sites, which is normal but good to know before you proceed. When you're ready, click Delete Data and give the browser a moment to finish. This step removes any locally stored versions of your site that might be out of sync with the server. Now head to your Cloudflare dashboard and open the domain that's showing the error. Go to the caching section and open Configuration. Choose Custom Purge. From here, select Purge Everything, then confirm when prompted. Purging everything clears cached copies of your site across Cloudflare's global network. It does not delete your content, it simply forces Cloudflare to fetch fresh versions from your origin the next time someone visits. The first load right after a purge can be slightly slower, which is normal. After that, performance returns to normal as the cache repopulates. That's the full process. Flush your local DNS, clear your browser cache for all time, and purge the Cloudflare cache on the affected domain. Together, these actions eliminate stale records at every layer that commonly lead to Cloudflare errors. Give it a short moment for changes to take effect across the network. If your setup is otherwise healthy, this sequence resolves most issues without further changes.